Kumasi advert number one.
Fierce. So I hot cake pound.
Kochi dey so hot
cake. Na me nya ne picture. Na bibia enye fine. Kobla
so ni medjuma.
Onu say edwa na etwe no. House so twe no.
Say bia na dey yom coach.
Enti yeah sure.
Omon veli no. And house of folk necessary to open.
So pen no. So house we bi da. I me dey man set na contract no so yin. Be fa ko yin.
So dey fresh afi no ago.
Sure. Enti yetimi tem ne tin quick ekofa. What you say?
The dia na for betwe sa.
O house for no mon kasa mo na adwene o. Kobla Boadu da on that. Oda on that. And no say her give ni we want man da bi na de
so game di nipa be here you mention
ya want man da bi
so be ko bad
no he nyina na we na adwene ta no and that blasters give no come on that what you say offer me so pie from outside Ghana
offer be pie
from outside Ghana
Boadu
aye
Odiana.
Sure.
House of folks.
Offer be soup.
And I'm on say.
Sure.
And also free.
Canopilas Nigeria.
Canopilas
Nigeria.
Of Nigeria.
Sure.
I'm so because
na offer ni mo do. Actually journal no. And the house but the man no.
Hey, Gucci.
Boadu
nya no akai.
Boadu ti asem ni me hye no.
Oja no akai Gucci.
Obra, it's a
American
order. But the first option yes, sir.
Oh, the wife need that name.
Ose.
The wife need that name.
Ose.
The wife any done. Do that. Miss Boadu better done.
Sure. And also very important. Very important. Very good coach. And the kind of person, day in a day out to be a more friend.
Omo
hakuchi. The makuchi na adeno. Kobra, inse be brain woni tirim.
Okay.
The kind of pillars and they see at the club you don't have to become Belino. And I have to focus on channel. The three clubs we and they pay coach Samuel Boadu.
Wow.
Tiano friend why?
Okay.
Because on my account.
It's on side, because I am.
Alberto Flores, me Prince Boadu'S. Wow player.
Boadu'S.
So they call Kotoko.
Pacho Debbie.
Oh, so now can wase Mohana Kotoko.
Send the performance for nations, president.
Oh, no impact. I can be. Who's that Prince Boadu?
The performance and the
Cobra Coffee. Prince Boadu, and then the people bring him no.
I say you look out for Baba.
I don't know what's cartoon.
Ah, you
okay. Your coalitions. Please be brave or performance for the bar.
You analyzing.
See, you are not.
Since Black Stars, I come.
Now, only them with the phone or by supposed to know. Come on, say for player.
Sir.
I know.
That's what we say.
Sir. And myself from the you play so.
Yes. So local league there, no word you man.
Winning baby, your ball he could fit to first.
Sure, here. I should agree here.
Why because you are not serious.
Who says see a question be catch?
And I go with you. Baby a book.
And I say ball na unim.
Baby a book fit to put.
We bring you go interview the first. Mama for Kabaji.
Sure.
Okay, say you call Bichim
Mekaipa.
Famous interview.
Yeah, Mekaipa.
Come on, so son.
Samuel.
About 2 months ago, na leg ni po baby, you make a say. East African Club B. Epe. Isco.
Mekaipa.
And come on, do ye.
New year.
Isco agencies no. Air train board. What's because board 2 or America.
Oh, US, yeah,
and a 1 our Ghana. And I want train board no. No matter.
Okay.
Na sa deal no. I'm dey ato board name. Say yeah. Na on my Isco dey echo. But say emboa no was stay. Some meeting Kobra. E ba me dey hu nsem bebre. Why? Sa deal no da.
Okay.
Kobra.
Chief.
Tie, bofu we. Asante Kotoko is not willing to offload Hamza Obin.
Look, which Hamza go baby.
Uncle baby. Otna.
Okay.
Come down, make a say. Hamza Obin.
Bofu we no how dey na say.
Oh. Say Kotoko board no. Kotoko board no na actual. Ana me igi no na no ya de akofa.
Oh, okay.
No dey abele me.
Okay.
Enta me kind say.
Tuana this abro for the two. Okay. Hey, Samuel.
Come on, so sir.
Chief.
What do you do? Come on, say, I'm sure ya. Kotoko. I stand coach no Hamza. And the better when the Brunino.
Yeah.
And the be say Jumano.
Okay.
It's almost sad to come on to him. And he's not willing.
With just $1, you can start trading. This is not a dream. This is real with the expert option app.
Because what they can uncle.
Obetna
Asante Kotoko. So next what na Kotoko obe assist you Bruni no asa handle youth.
Sure.
Okay.
Omo say uncle na to ni. Hamza there. I said
a good decision e was Asante Kotoko.
Sure.
Because one e be Bruni na Oba no. So Bruni benya be adwuma na on local league no. But Coach Hamza the local league no. And I said that was saying adwuma.
Yeah, sure.
And Adia still remains with a pesa talent. Coach Hamza be e ni I do players.
Asema waka na mama story bi sisi ya. Next season what the 5 or 6 players youth players ever got senior team.
Ebe senior team.
Asema waka me
Coach Hamza ye adwuma ho pa youth team no se e bona baso. This season Kotoko youth team no. Adwuma Coach Hamza obi abon. Say that pay a day pa. President, also pay the can assembly.
They be qualified vision for your
Yes.
I did so fantastic player.
Yeah.
Uzo na then na Kumi Asante. Only it is a boy.
And Kusi Asante.
Kusi Asante.
Yeah. It's in fact already a good player papa. It me feel say Kotoko maintaining a good decision about Asante Kotoko. Because be done so fast for we youth team as a boy a senior team. It would the boy back who kunu ma amjin. It's a good decision.
Come on, so
yeah, Sam.
Me story me nyebiem. Sambo next story. And then the last day, I can ask some fear.
Okay, otherwise they.
Someone to complain biem. Oko. And my boss Samba baso. Oya DB. And kobna me fe.
Otherwise they.
Samba drew South Africa.
So much so renew and I didn't know your fee.
But idea why me fe. Ebiana me na me fe. Ebiana nya wo fe.
Okay. Obi renew.
Obi no. O renew. Watch you for na Africa danase.
Okay.
Madam, I said for that privilege. I said that penkai era no ko fa no ba.
Fa ba.
Nti o do ye no twen fon.
That you rase. What the from your man. Okay.
Nti what da Kotoko.
Ebusu ni na ase.
What day official write up and I still be bontin.
Okay.
Ada Kotoko busu ni na ase.
Okay.
Ti expert say how you know why.
Okay. Samba will know.
Come on. Mr. THB and Kotoko.
The whole brand.
Sure. Say last season this is now Kotoko no. Na omo ne ton.
Okay.
Na Kotoko nya percentage. But omo trans omo the board data say di nkomo. This one Kotoko no not ton.
Kotoko be 12 50 before.
No not ton.
Was it last season that say?
Na I say omo ton na percentage because Kotoko nya.
Oh okay.
So no the part what say.
TH before na the ton.
A ton.
Na Kotoko supporters nya.
Enter mo store. Thank you to omo store gba because omo be store wo. Asafo the last time superintendent catch on was afro no kwa akran so a omo to no mo nkofo bu ha na mo so distribute nti say need to about from this year and say ombeto
okay
na omo Kotoko na yede aton
okay
ti sana ebeko ti na season hu amenyo come on
achieve
3 key players bi our Heart of Lions omo contract abawiye
one
ekumo etinie pa ehiame agencies bi our first had 3 key players na Amabediema and Asante Kotoko.
Tom contract na and they were Heart of Lions.
Sure.
And as agent for no. Edu omo Emma Kotoko and Mediema. Okay. So ban sa wa offer ne be ye no na obenya.
Team do offer ne brebo.
Okay.
Mediema one defender. 2 midfielders. But remember defenders midfielders dey
esi okay.
Ebenezer Aban.
The contract
July we are ending of July. Na contract be we. Is it 31st? 31st and the contract be we yo. Heart of Lions.
Okay.
Na team Mediema offer no. Mediema be say omo Heart of Lions sika. Team yo. Omo sika. Plus all the ones with the players and assign one fee. Or to go no sign one fee. Omo monthly salary big. Kesi ye pano adama. But to go sign one fee.
Okay.
Enti Heart of Lions sika plus the sign one fee plus the boss we akatua.
Okay.
Enti we a contractor. Mediema for prepare dem Ebriza Aban.
Okay.
And I Kotoko so pen no as free. Oma Heart of Lions capre. Kotoko pen as free Heart of Lions capre but the monthly salary no be peja. Onya sign one fee.
So that Mediema for so offer Ebriza Aban 12,000 Ghana cedis.
Thank you. What I can me the pound so this our story na.
Old currency 120 million.
Sure. Enti come say wow we for na beko. Onyanya mo no deal bia bia but
e player no so because one ebia Mediema kwa akọbọ Champions League obe factor M na two ebia obe sa hwesika no so
sure
but oba on the other side nso a Kotoko e Kotoko I think come on
sure
you be ko Africa and Kotoko nso ye Kotoko ye bi dream say Kotoko na aso bebo
what Kotoko
so Ghana
last 2 years nyina and last season what three sa come on Tuesday no recruitment team no twen phone when we say 2 midfielders so can
Abano yeah
a twen phone for back na mechanical player be mo di
okay
bibinti back on person di mede
okay
a twen phone first a midfielder no agency we are fantastic with Bobo Park in the player na mechanic and the agency catch out company for say boy no a trade deal outside but suddenly failure I'm not Kotoko I go negotiation table so
okay
na omuno edi nkomo enti sa 3 key players we am contract abere
okay
awo heart of lions.
Please don't borrow online loans casually. Stop.
531650099